Hey guys, what's going on? It is Soldier Tesla here, back again with another quick video. Question for you. Those of you that have Model Ys, are you concerned about storing things in your trunk and it being visible so that if someone wanted to break into your vehicle, they would not be able to see those items in your trunk? Well, guess what? I found a solution to that problem. Currently today, Tesla does not make a trunk cargo cover for the Model Y. I was able to find someone who created that exact item. Very good instructions come with the kit. There is also a YouTube video that I will link in the description. So please like, share, and subscribe. Check out the video. Hope you like it. All right, so as you see here, I'm going to open up my trunk, and that's how the 5-seater Model Y looks without anything in the back. This is the product I received from the gentleman that makes these cargo covers. I will go ahead and put his information so that if you choose to purchase it, you can reach out to him directly. So as you see, on one side, it has the carpet that matches the exact carpet that comes with the Model Y. And once I flip it over, it also, this one that I ordered has the black looking leather. He has multiple options for you to choose from. The kit comes with the accessory pack, detailed instructions. These are all the accessories that you need for the installation. And here is the final product. The installation was very simple. It took me maybe 10-15 minutes to install it. It's easy to take out, easy to put in. So I'm very satisfied with the product. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is a great product that I am going to utilize often. What I noticed during the installation that it's fairly easy to remove if I choose not to use it. But this is probably something that's going to stay in my video most of the time. So again, all the information will be linked in the description. And I hope that you enjoy the video. If you like my content, please gently tap the like button, subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next one. Later.